Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much to all my wonderful subscribers, and if you are new to my channel, please do not forget to click the subscribe button below and also click on that bell icon. It will definitely notify you whenever I upload a new and interesting video. In today's video, I am going to be making rice water hair rinse. So I am using half cup of rice and I'm going to be adding that cup of water inside my rice, and I'm going to be using this water to rinse out any dirt that is on the rice. So I'm going to stir it up a couple of times and make sure that I take out all the dirt out of the rice, and after that I am going to pour away the water. So now I am going to take out this dirty water, and this is my clean rice after I have taken out the dirty water. And now I am going to be putting the rice inside the jar. So now I'm going to be adding water inside the jar. I'm going to make sure that I fill the jar up with water, and after that I'm going to cover the jar properly and set it aside. So I am going to let this rice sit on top of my kitchen counter overnight, and I'm gonna leave it until the next day before I use it. So this is the next day and my rice has been sitting for 24 hours. It's time for me to drain it. I must say that next time if I'm doing it, I'm gonna get a bigger jar because my rice rise until the top of the bottle and some of the water were leaking out of the bottle. So definitely use a bigger jar next time. So now I am going to drain out the rice and separate the rice from the water. So I'm going to be putting it inside a spray bottle just to allow me to apply it on my hair, make it easier on me to apply it on my hair. So rice water has amazing hair benefit. For once, it acts like as a natural hair conditioner. It brings shine to your hair and it gives your hair a wonderful nutrients that helps it to grow. So now I am back from making my rice water, and I also washed my hair with shampoo and my hair is clean. Make sure you apply it on a very clean hair. And now I am applying it all over my hair and I'm massaging my hair, making sure that it's getting through to the root of my hair. I'm massaging it all over my hair to make sure that it gets down on the root of my hair. Rice water is rich in antioxidants, minerals and vitamin E. Rice water also repairs your hair from damage and also protects your hair from future damage. Rice water contains iron, zinc and B complex vitamins that are essential to hair growth. Try and do this twice a week on your hair for you to see the amazing result of rice water hair rinse. Guys, thank you for stopping by to my channel. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.